Hey everyone, it's me. I love you, Pooh Bear 97. My name is Rayshawn Willis, and this is an update video of my sister's ceiling fan. And here's what it looks like with a Holophane rear round glass that came off my Heritage Lancaster Series ceiling fan, dated January of 1998. The reason why this globe is being on this fan because me and my niece was playing with the balloon that we blew up with a rubber glove, and however I was hitting the balloon too hard, and it hit the original globe, and the globe shattered, and it put the world's biggest hole in the globe. And my father ended up throwing this away, and I ended up putting that globe on his fan and stuff. And my sister was mad as heck and stuff. So I'm gonna demonstrate the light. Then I'm gonna demonstrate the fan. Starting off with low. Now I pitched the blades on this fan sometime in May of 2013. So this fan can blow some great air so my sister can enjoy the airflow on this fan in the summertime and stuff. Now this fan, now it was brought back in September of 2007, and it was put up on the 14th day of August of 2009 because this room was being remodeled. Now I'm gonna do medium, blowing air on low. That's medium. So when you stand back far enough, it makes the fan look like it's wearing a skirt with this globe on it. And with this Hall of Fame rear round globe, those are one of my childhood globes. Plus Ancon ceiling fans also use these globes. And ever since I was 9, I tried to put this globe on my bedroom fan because the original globe on my fan broke too, but I ended up putting the schoolhouse globe on my Harbor Breeze Armitage ceiling fan, and that schoolhouse globe came off my Alaska Hugger that looks like an Ancon Casanova. Now this globe here, one thing about this globe here is when the light bulb blows out, all you gotta do is twist the light bulb and it'll just come out. Instead of you taking the globe off the light fixture and then gonna replace the light bulb with another one and then put the globe back on the light fixture. By the way, it's blowing a great amount of air. Now I'm gonna do high. Eat. Hold on. Showing the air. Fan be blowing air now. Plus it blows a lot of air for a hugger because I pitched the blades. So then I'm gonna do off. Then I'm gonna show you the speed of sound. Hold on. Then I'm gonna do off. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. More to come.